everyone, I'm Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of my cleaning routine and it is Friday today, and Friday is kitchen day. And if you are new to this whole routine that I'm doing, I will link you to all of the other videos from Monday through Thursday over here. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I am doing a 5-day cleaning routine that I found on Pinterest from morethanamom3.com. This has been a pretty in-depth cleaning routine. So after today's video, I'm going to be doing a separate video telling you what I thought of the whole process and if I think it worked for me or not. So far, I'm liking the results. It's been a lot of work though. And as I mentioned, today is kitchen day, so I have to tackle this entire kitchen. So that should be fun. And I am home with 2 of my boys today. I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old. They're very noisy right now upstairs. That's where I sent them to make all that noise so that I could talk to you real quick. But you may see them running around throughout the video asking me for things because the kitchen is where boys practically live, you know, for all the snacks and things. So let's go over what is expected of today. Friday is kitchen. 1 load of laundry, wipe down all of my cabinets, wipe down my appliances, clean out my fridge, wipe down the inside of the microwave, sanitize door handles and light switches. And normally, you guys, I don't clean my kitchen except for maybe like, once a month. So I guess today's the day, but I did actually clean it last week, so it shouldn't be too bad, I would think. So let's get started. am officially done doing this 5-day routine until I guess next week. We'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and all the other videos as well, and I will link them right over here for you just in case you missed them. This was fun, but also difficult, so I'm looking forward to doing a separate video for you guys, letting you know what I thought of each day that I did. What do you got on your head, Colton? Come here. Come here. Let's show everybody what you have on your head. Yeah. Come. Ow. Can you say that? Say ow. Oh, nope, not today. They never do stuff when you want them to. Can you say hi to everybody? Hi. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go check out morethanamomofthree.com. She is the one who came up with this whole routine that I found on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.